everyone, my name is Emily and I want to share with you this super cool tool that I just added to my craft room. It is this Olfa art knife and it will change the way that you precision cut or fussy cut on any fabric or substrate. It comes with 3 different blades, all with different functions, and I want to show them to you. The 3 blades that this art knife comes with are the triangle blade, the chisel art blade, and then the curved carving blade. The triangle blade is a perfect general use blade that you can use on many different substrates like paper, cardboard. It's awesome and it works so well. The chisel art blade is perfect for buttonholes, narrow cuts, and slicing. This is a great blade if you're a quilter or a crafter with fabric. And then this curved carving blade is perfect for quilters and sewers or any kind of fabric artist. It seam rips, it fussy cuts, and it is awesome on all kinds of fabric, whether it's thick, it's thin, multiple layers, single layers, cork, felt, leather, anything, this blade will get the job done. This curved carving blade is honed just like those amazing rotary cutters that we already know and love from Olfa. To load these blades, it is so easy and very quick with the spring-loaded top. You will simply insert the end of the blade into the closed edge on your art knife and twist the rubber handle to secure it in place. And let me tell you, once this blade is secure, it is not moving, and I love that feature. The cushioned handle on the Olfa art knife is amazing for comfort. Not only does it allow you to tighten that blade in there nice and tight, but it also has this anti-slip grip, which is perfect for when you're going around those corners and crevices to make sure that the knife doesn't slip out of your hand. As you're cutting, you'll find that this knife is weighted on the end. The weight in this art knife balances in your hand so beautifully and makes cutting effortless and very precise as you're working through whatever your fabric substrate is. Another feature that I love about the Olfa art knife is this anti-roll tab that is down here at the very bottom. It's just a little extra piece that they've added at the bottom, and it's perfect for safety. Everybody's had to walk away from a project very quickly, but this tab makes it so easy because if you walk away, your art knife will not roll off the table, and that is an amazing safety feature. I hope that you found all of these features incredibly exciting, just as much as I do, that you will want to add this Olfa art knife to your collection in your sewing room or crafting room.